Chevrolet, 5800 Stadium Drive, Kalamazoo, Michigan. More talks about vehicle maintenance. Today we're going to talk about more of a periodic maintenance, and that is your brakes. Yes, brakes. And we want you to know that, hey, here at DeNooyer Chevrolet, we carry all the OEM and AC Delco parts for brake pads and rotors for your vehicle. Generally have them in stock all the time. And here's the reason why we would prefer you have GM brakes, OEM and or AC Delco. And that is their fit and finish. That is their performance. We know exactly they're going to perform exactly like GM wants them to. And their longevity. We know that you will have brakes generally depending on the vehicle you have and how it's driven and everything else. Anywhere from 25,000 to 50,000, and we can rely on these to get you there, perform like you need to perform. So here again, Bill Garnett, DeNooyer Chevrolet, 5800 Stadium Drive, Kalamazoo, Michigan.